Three. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back
to the words I forgot.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You can't see them, but I got sent these paints and they are acrylic pouring paints, I think. So they're specifically made to be like ready to pour paint. So like, I think that they create cells without silicone. Again, I have never done acrylic pouring, so I don't know exactly what goes into it, but I got sent them, so I feel like we gotta try them out, and then I'll top coat it with resin. So it's still gonna have resin in this video. Sean is here, by the way.
Hello.
Fantastic. So these paints are called Rick's Mix, and they're by CounterCultureDIY, and it says on their website that they're an acrylic latex paint. The paint is highly pigmented and density tested for cell creation without silicone. So I think that we can just, like they said, it's just ready to pour. So I think that we can just go at it and like it'll do the thing, you know?
Yeah.
I'm excited. I've never done this before, and I just love like those videos of acrylic pours, especially on Instagram. I feel like they're just so satisfying to watch.
Yeah.
So if you guys are interested in seeing if Sean and I can accomplish some acrylic pouring, then continue watching. Did it! There it was. Okay, so here we are once again with two different angles. So this one is going to be Sean's and this one's going to be mine. And I did just want to show you guys what the paints look like because I didn't in the intro. So we have this one, which is called Alabaster White. So this is just a white one. And then this one's called Lapis Blue. And then Daffodil Yellow. Cherry Blossom Red. And then Coal Black. So those are all the colors that we have here. Do you know which colors you want to like have in yours? Because I already know what I want in mine.
I actually have a question.
Okay.
What is like, aren't cherry blossoms pink? What's cherry blossom red look like?
Looks like this.
I think I know my colors.
Okay. So what are they?
Blue and yellow and white.
Blue, yellow, and white. Okay. I think I'm gonna do some of the cherry blossom red, the coal black, and then lapis blue. We've got a bunch of cups here that I think we're gonna pour the different colors in. Also, Sean is gonna be doing one technique that I've seen, and then I'm gonna do a different one and see like how they both kind of come out. Sean's gonna do the one where you have all the different colors in different cups, and then you pour one over each other, if that makes any sense. You guys will see in a second. And then I'm going to do the one where I'm going to pour the different colors into each other into one cup, and then we'll flip it and see what that does. Also, what we've done, thank you, is we have taped the back sides of these, and then we also put some tacks on the outer corners to kind of, you know, hold it up off the table a little bit. And then I've covered my desk in trash bags. I don't have any, like, I think people use those like metal tin like trays and have it in there so that the paint kind of pools in there. Genius. Don't have any of those. I have trash bags and I'm just hoping that it doesn't drip off my desk. I feel like the acrylic pour community is laughing at me right now and they know what's coming next, is that my rug is gonna get covered in paint. So I think what we're gonna do now is start pouring the paints into the cups. And I'm gonna start, or that's what Sean's gonna do, and then I'm going to start pouring my colors into one cup. And I guess we'll try to show you guys in between the two pieces of wood here what we're doing. You're beginning? Oh my god. This is very exciting. Okay, Okay, so I think this is what mine looks like right now. It does look like it's gonna do cell things, so I'm excited. But I'm just like, also I wanna watch Sean do what he's doing. Okay, so I think I have to take my piece of wood, go like this, push it, like put pressure on it, flip it over, right?
I think so.
Figure out a way to put it down. Okay, okay. You can still see mine up there. Okay, we're here. We got here. I'm ready. I'm excited.
We're present.
Okay, so I've seen people like poke, 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 poke. Let's see if that gets paint to go down. Okay, I'm gonna pull it up.
Okay, I want to watch.
Oh my god, it's a lot of paint, dude. Oh, it's pretty though.
It's very pretty.
Okay. Ah, I'm excited.
I know.
Yay! Are we done?
I think I'm done.
Yeah, same. It worked!
It really did work.
I'm not a failure! Okay, so I guess, right? We just let these dry.
For sure, yeah.
I am gonna put a tote, I almost said torch. I'm gonna put a tote over this just to cover it, and then we'll wait till it dries. Again, like the entire motto of this video, I have never done this before, so I don't know how long it takes. But we will come back to you when they are completely dried, and then I'll probably, did you just rip that?
No, it just sounded like a fart.
Oh, and we'll come back to you when they're dry, and then we'll do a top coat over the whole thing. So I'm assuming we will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Okay, we're going. So it's a few days later and we finally finished our, what do you call these again? Oh, acrylic art pieces. We did peel off all the tape on the, I don't know why I'm showing you like this, off the bottom and then on the sides. And then we also painted, I don't know why I'm telling you all of this too because you saw us do it, but we painted the sides. I painted mine black. Sean painted his like a really dark navy blue. Obviously, I had to do some glitter in my top coat because obviously, and then again, obviously, I added too much glitter, so it kind of, when it's in the light, it almost takes away from the detail. Like you can't really see the like details of the webbing, but I do still think it's really pretty. So yeah, I've said this like 1,000 times in this video, but I've never done this before, so it was actually really weird to watch these dry because I didn't realize that the paint was gonna like sink into the wood.
Yep.
It basically just like became part of the wood. I thought it was just gonna be like a layer of paint over the wood and I wasn't gonna see like the wood's texture, but I did. Oh yeah, so I had to do like a quick coat. It's literally called quick coat. So sorry. But yeah, it's called quick coat and it was like just kind of a sealer for the paint. I wasn't going to seal them in between like the paint and then the top coat, but then somebody showed me a picture of their piece that they had done for acrylic pouring and it had like the top coat was kind of like melting off. So then I was like, oh, that's why we also have the quick coat stuff. So I think you're supposed to, like if you're also new to acrylic pouring, I think you're supposed to do like after you pour your paint on, you're supposed to do like a coat to seal it in and then you can do your top coat because I think that the silicone in the paint repels the resin if you don't put a like sealer in between. Sean's basically was covered by just like a tote cover and then there was like, you know, airflow in between, so his dried in like 24 hours. Mine took a lot longer because I had it completely covered with a tote, so there wasn't like any airflow and it took a long time for the paint to dry, but then once I took the tote off and I just kind of like let it sit and air dry, it dried like the next day. So don't completely cover them, just kind of put something over them so that there's airflow in between. So I'm going to show you guys some clips now of them in the sun and hanging on the wall, right?
Yeah.
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 Yep.
That's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Get ready for it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys are experts on acrylic pouring now.
Okay. Not from this.
Well, they should be. We did the perfect guide. They couldn't have any questions.
No, we didn't. No, we didn't.
We've done this so many times and covered it in so many videos, though.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys are like an expert on acrylic pouring. And I'm sure that we didn't do it perfectly, but it was fun. So in my eyes, it was a success.
It was definitely a success.
Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. It is at Artsymadwoman. I'll put it right over his face.
We love you.
Did you say it like
You
that?
said that's what we have to tell them.
I love you guys so freaking much.
So freaking much. Love you.
And we'll see you, or I'll see you. Maybe you'll be here. I don't know if he'll be here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Yes, you actually sang it this time. Did you dance?
I danced with my fingers.
Yes.
Yeah.